everybody? Let me do that again. What up, everybody? You already know who it is. And I'm playing Watch Dogs 2. You already know what we're about to do, man. Should we do some missions, though? I don't know, man. For real, man. I don't even know. Man, let me hop in this whip real quick. Psych. I'm sorry for the quality, guys, but we playing some Watch Dogs, so you better take. Whoa, what did I hit? Keep on hitting. Should we found me? I'm good. You know what we should do? Look, that motorcycle dude ain't getting away. He about to get punished. You think he getting away? I'm sorry for whoever caused that. Oh yeah, I saw it flip. I saw your bike flip. Nobody actually. Oh, whoa. Alright guys, I'm sorry if this dude uses profanity. Cause yeah, this game uses a lot of profanity. And it's not good. So I'm sorry for using it. But this game is really cool besides that. Ooh. It's very cool. You know? Die! Yeah, she fell off. She fell off real quick. Oh! I said I get from trying to attack you. You know what? Nah. I was about to just say, forget you. But yeah, he used profanity. See him? That sounds good. Dog. Come on. I don't even know what I should do. Oh, exactly where I want to go. That's like my hideout, y'all. Where I just pointed is like my hideout, I swear. Man, that crap is my hideout. Hello guys, real quick. Well, it's raining. Boy, you better shut up. I'm talking to you. Somebody call 911 on me? Come on. Let's go. Whoa. That was close. Oh, I'm almost there. See another motorcycle dude. Bam, die. He ain't even die. And I know. See another motorcycle dude. Gotcha. Now he died. Or she. That was close. Oh, got my time. Shut up.
They're hurt. Somebody dial 911.
Oh, crap. I ain't calling nobody. Wait. Are you the clean version of the other dude I just knocked out? Oh. I think that was the clean version. Hey, whoa. Don't run me over now. I need your car. Well, the cops may be on me now. But I'm going to my hideout no matter what. Even if it's not my hideout, I'm still gonna call it my hideout. Am I like done? Nah, it's right here. Man, I'll be dropping everybody, idiot. Sorry for that.
The app's downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People, devices. See what you can pull from them. That's what helps us figure out our next ops. And running ops that are important to people is how we get them interested in DedSec.
Oh yeah.
The more followers download our app, the more intel we get. It's the circle of life.
And see if you can find some components to help us with our research.
Boy, shut up.
The app is your data mining tool.
Man, it's weird.
Okay, I got this. So what now? Up to you, man. You're free to do whatever catches your eye. We post ops in the DedSec app, and doing them helps us get followers. Followers are our shrill.
After I put a little fight with the cops, I'm gonna go to my hideout.
Lets us do bigger and badder ops. Squad, any other units in the area? I've got a felon with a gun.
That was easy. It's my hideout. Let my mans check it out for you. Hold up. Check this peep swag though. Bam. You like that swag though. Hey. Cool. But for real. Let my little dude, my little robot show you what it is. What it is for. Sorry for the bumping. Alright, there we go, that girl. She used to be over there. And there we go, this dude. Forgot his name. But let me be me again, because I probably got this on. What's up, home? What up, bro? What y'all doing here? Alright. Come on, man. Hey. What just happened?
Hey, Marcus, have you seen the trailer for the new Jimmy Siska movie? No, it's out. Hey, pull it up, man. For this, we need perfect sound, screen, comfy, quiet. Have you seen it yet? No, man. Wait for you. All right, everybody, we're gonna watch the trailer. Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
In a world where technology connects everything, I'm not working for justice, goddammit. One man prowls the information superhighway in search of cyber justice. I'm looking for cyber justice.
There's a lot of code that's gonna take a whole while.
It's gonna be a cybercaster.
Hey,
Cyber
right here.
driver.
Cyber driver, huh?
Hit him with the code, Flurry Chip. Jimmy Siska is... Got no choice, kiddies. Follow me or die. Devin Von Devin.
gotta get these hackers somewhere safe.
They aren't hackers, Devin. They're just script kiddies. Hey, the car answered.
This ain't your mama's smart car. I think next time we're gonna need a higher firewall, pal.
Cyber Driver.
No.
Action hero badass. Talking car, admit it, Josh. The car is cool. You know what I'm thinking? We cut our own version of that trailer.
What?
And that car is gonna help us do it.
Real? Wouldn't have us a ton of followers.
Yo, first, Josh and I will go to the studio to get that script. We'll look around and see what other gems they have about DeathSec, and we'll look for the car. All right, so what's the deal here? Are we issuing an advisory? No, why would we do that?
What?
No, let them. Don't worry, Cyberchild. Hacker movie's gonna get hacked.
HMP Studios. You consulted our intelligence.
Whoa.
And that
Whoa.
we can't excuse. It seems like you could do with a lesson on what hackers are capable of.
Alright guys, sadly, I'm gonna have to end this video. Part 2 is coming up tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. No, on Wednesday. Yeah, don't worry. Part 2 is coming on Wednesday. Just wait one day. One day. Okay? That's what we gotta do. And I'll see you guys later. Wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? First thing first. Don't forget to, well, that was like last. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, guys. And I'll see you guys later.